Hello students, in first year physics first chapter da measurement. For measurement start na our unit define ki physics. Physics. The word physics is derived from a Greek word physic. The word physics is derived from a Greek word physic, which means knowledge of nature. Knowledge of nature. Which means knowledge of nature. उस nature से कमिश वक्सी nature से दुआशा इन the matter and energy. So the physics definition which das klashi che it is the branch of science in which we study matter, energy and their mutual relationship. Matter, energy and their mutual relationship. Physics is the study of matter, energy and their mutual relationship. Is called physics. Also, what is matter? Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Har aashai che azikainasi with the mass we that so we matter. Yani a matter that we fundamental property di. Che cherta matter we agasara that we properties must be. Or another energy, the ability of a body to do work is called energy. Also, mutual relationship. What is the mutual relationship between matter and energy? According to Einstein's famous equation, E is equal to mc square, where E stands for energy, M stands for mass, C stands for speed of light, which is mathematically equal to E is equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. उस इधर इक्वेशन का मतलब है che energy means mass ta badlawai shi, mass energy ta badlawai shi. Energy can be converted to mass and mass can be converted to energy. Us there is a practical example measure a physics yani daha सब practical example measure दे कि che energy mass ta sar ke badleji ya mass और energy ta पक्कीमा तरीका सर बदलेगी. Practical example of E is equal to mc square. Number 1 is pair production.